Hello everyone and welcome to the Cisco Secure Email Series updates. This video will cover specifically Cisco Secure Awareness integration with Secure Email. The integration of security awareness and training with a Cisco Secure Email solution helps an organization to further mitigate potential security losses as we can better protect the most vulnerable users via more aggressive policy configuration. As we can see here, we have a summary of a phishing simulation sent. We have the recipient action summary where some pass, some fail, and we have the full breakdown below. Some of our users reported phishing, others viewed the images, some clicked the links, none opened the attachment, and fortunately none completed the form. Let's now think about the use case where a company that runs a security awareness course, does some learning modules, some quizzes, finally launches this phishing simulation. User A gets the email and immediately puts into practice all he has learned during the awareness course, flagging the email as potential phish. So these will be these users here. However, user B opens the email, clicks every URL, downloads all attachments, opens them, introduces username, password, everything, the works. Users like user B are the most vulnerable. They need to be better protected. Cisco Secure Awareness and Training now communicates the list of these most vulnerable users straight to the secure email solution, which, by its turn, then allows for the creation of more aggressive email policies for that list of more vulnerable users. As far as I know, this is unique in the industry. Let's now see how the flow of the configuration goes. First and foremost, we need to go to Settings, Report API, and grab here our bearer token. So we need to enable it and grab this. So I'm going to copy it. Then we need to go to our email security solution. And here we'll see Security Services, Cisco Secure Awareness, and we see it's disabled. So what we're going to do is enable the service, edit settings. I'm going to enable it, choose the appropriate server, collect the token, and then what is my polling interval? Let's leave it the default 1 day. Submit, and then we can commit our changes. Now we can see here the repeat clickers list settings, and we can see when it was updated, if it's active, inactive. So let's update the list proactively, and the list starts getting updated. So this is all basically that we need to do, and the list will start synchronizing between secure awareness and the email security solution. At the same time, we create now a mail policy. Let's give it a name. Let's add users. And here, I want this policy to come from anyone, but intended to my repeat clickers list. Let's include this list from Secure Awareness to be more stringent, to be more restrictive. So what we're going to do here is choose our repeated users. So you see, coming from anyone, going to our repeat clickers list, then let's submit. And here I can be more stringent. So let's, for instance, look about spam. So I can be more aggressive. I can use our import intelligence multi-scan, for instance, or I can say, if this is positively identified as a spam, then drop. However, if this is just a suspect, probably typically I would quarantine it, or even better, I would just append or prepend something called like suspect spam. In this case, maybe I want to be even more aggressive because of the characteristic of these users. They're happy clickers, they click everything. So maybe I want to be even more restrictive. I want to be more careful. I can quarantine it or I can drop it. What we're going to use really depends on how much restrictive you want to go with your policies. Right now, you have the possibility to be more aggressive on your email policies because these are your more vulnerable users. In the face of a threat, they're probably going to be clicking links, downloading attachments, putting at risk companies' assets. I do hope you find this video useful. Thank you so much for watching.